Good day, wizards, and welcome to today's lesson. In this lesson, we will focus on the earth moves, rocks, soil comes from rocks, as well as soil types. Now, wizards, in grade 4, you learned that the earth is a planet in the solar system. Like all planets, the earth is not still, but moves through space. We cannot feel the earth moving because we are moving with it. The earth moves in two main ways. Now let's look at how the earth moves. The earth travels around the sun. Wizards, the earth moves around the sun in a pathway we call the earth's orbit. When an object moves around another object in space, the movement is called revolution. We say that one object revolves around the other. So the movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution, and we say that the earth revolves in its orbit around the sun. The earth moves around the sun in an anti-clockwise direction. Now, wizards, a clockwise direction is the same direction that the hands of a watch or clock moves around the face of the watch or clock. The earth takes about 365 days to travel once around the sun. The earth travels very fast in its orbit, moving at about 108,000 kilometers per hour, or 30 kilometers in 1 second. If you could drive as fast as this, it would take about 47 seconds to travel from Cape Town to Johannesburg. Even at that speed, it takes the earth about 365 days to revolve around the sun once. This is how many days there is in a year. So the earth revolves around the sun once in a year. The earth is a different place in its orbit at different times in the year. Now let's continue to look at the earth and how the earth spins on its own axis. Look at the picture above. It shows the earth and the end of a line passing through the center of the earth from north to south. This line is not really on the earth. It is an imaginary line. It is called the Earth's axis. One end of the axis is at the Earth's north pole, and the other is at the Earth's south pole. The Earth turns around on its axis. When something turns around and round, it spins on an axis. We say that it rotates. Let's continue. Wizards, the earth takes about 24 hours to spin once. The earth takes about 24 hours to spin around on its axis once. The time that the earth takes to rotate once is called a day. This means that every day the earth spins around once. It spins very fast, but we do not feel its movements because we travel along with it.